So alright guys, here we are in Photoshop and you can see here I have created this banner already. We are going to design this banner step by step. If you are a beginner, you can also watch this video. As you know, I will tell you everything step by step. So yeah, just we need to go to file and click on new, then give here the name banner design by Sarif and click on this pixels with 1920, height 900, then resolution 300. Click on this create. Then we need to put here the images. As you know, also you can download my all the image free, link in the description below. So let's drag image here, right click on flip horizontal, then put it here. That's it. The next what we need to do, we need to remove this shadow. So you can do it by your own way. So I will just select pen tool and take it path, then make a selection here for the shadow like this. Click on the selection, hit OK. Now right click on your image and click on this rasterize layer, then press delete button, press Ctrl D. Yeah, we have removed the shadow. The next step, we will add our image, the road image, put it here, then drag your image below your mobile cover image. So yeah, here you can see. Then what we need to do here, we need to remove the unwanted part from the road image. So just click on your road image, right click and click on this rasterize layer, then select pen tool, make a selection from here, then select outside and merge it, then click on this selection, hit OK, select your road image, click on this mask, press alt on your keyboard, then click. So yeah, we have removed the road. And then what we need to do, we need to remove this mobile image. So I have took the mask, then press B on your keyboard, select brush tool, then hardness should be full, then press X, press X, like this. Yeah, so we have removed the road. Sorry. So then what we need to do, we need to take a gradient in the background. So select your layer, unlock it, go to effects, click on gradient overlay. Then I have given already the gradient here. I will show you the color. So this is my color code, hit OK, and this one second color code, hit OK. Then I have chosen linear style and scale, you can see here, this much is fine. Opacity is 100% and hit OK. So yeah, this looks fine. Then we need to improve this part, this road border. So select your layer, the image layer, click on this thumbnail, then go to edit and click on this puppet warp, then one click here and second click here, yeah, like this, and one is here. Yeah, so then just drag these image like this. Guys, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe the channel. Yeah, this looks fine to me, and hit enter. Then this is the road shape we will be using. Then select this mobile cover, come to mask, press B, press X, mm, X, yeah, like this. Ah, this looks fine. Our road work is done. Then we can modify the road color. So select your road image, go to this icon, click on hue saturation, click on this icon. We need to improve the this little dirt here, so we need to remove this dirt. So select your image thumbnail, come to this mixer brush tool, then flow, we can decrease the flow here. Then I have select this moist and just hardness should be 0. Don't remove too much, just a little touch. So yeah, this looks fine to me, and you can see here this is the dirt removed, and here we need to put the car image, and we just finished with our road. So let's put here the taxi image. So I only find this taxi image, so I will put only like this. If you have cab like that, any other car, you can put here your other car, yeah, like this. Then you can create a mask on your car layer, then press B, brush tool, and remove it from here. You can drag your car image below your mobile cover like that. You can remove this body color of the mobile like that. Then we need to work here on the shadow and color of the car. So just take a hue saturation or brightness on contrast, take a brightness and contrast, click on this arrow, then select on the mask of the effect, press B, hardness should be 0, then press X, so it will create a little highlight like that. Decrease the opacity, fine. Create a new layer below the car image, select brush tool and take a black color here, then hardness should be 0, then click. This is for a shadow, yeah, this much is fine. Press V and duplicate the layer, rotate it. So here we have done with our images. Let's move to text. So here we will write Manali trip, then font, this one Ananda. You can download the font from Google, it's all free. Then I can select this part and move it here, because text, you can write text by yourself, it's not a big deal. Now here I have this line. You can create this line by pen tool, and the arrow you can do it Also here is the text, and here is the text also. So these all simple, you can do it by yourself, so I will not waste time here. Then lock the all the layer. So just lock it, select this text, press Ctrl T and resize it little bit. Yeah, this much is fine. Yeah, now we will create a button for action. So just create a button like this, and we can give here the color as this one. It okay. Then select this box and this text, then center align them, then change the color of the text to white like this, and the rectangle should be little modified. Yeah, and the curve also, and the stroke should be here. So I will keep it in left alignment because all the text, all the content is left aligned, so I will keep it only that. Then here I need to put a texture in the background, so just go to Google and type here texture and go to images, then see any texture you want. So if I click on this, yeah, this one is looks fine to me. I will copy the image, come to Photoshop, paste it here, then increase it, hit enter and change the mode. I will choose multiply and drag this only above the background layer like that, and decrease the opacity. So yeah, this looks fine, this texture. Press Ctrl T, and I think this much is fine to me. Yeah, this one. Then duplicate it, then merge these layer and come to multiply, then decrease opacity little bit. Yeah, like this. Then press create a mask on it, press B, select brush tool, then one click, press X, one click. Yeah, like that. Ha. So yeah, this looks fine, and we can like uh, do it like that, little texture improvement like this, and we can put here the logo also. So this is not from Ola officially, I am just creating this. So then yeah, we have created this banner. So if you want to save this banner as an image, go to file, click on this save a copy, then click on this png format is better for quality, so click on this png, then you can save images in your desired location, save it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and if you enjoy, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And for your information, I have uploaded too many videos on this channel, so don't miss the playlist. So just check out my playlist.